master the basics of system functionality. Ensuring your Phantom Wing Walker Pushback system is paired and ready for use. Step 1. System Overview. Make sure the headsets and interfaces are prepared as shown in the user guide. The Phantom Wing Walker system is different to other setups because there is no central communication bag. Instead, each user links to the next, creating a daisy chain connection. For this reason, each headset must be paired in the correct sequence. On a 4-user system, the order is 1. A bug headset for the tug driver. 2. The first Phantom headset for the left-hand wing walker. 3. The second Phantom headset for the tail walker. And finally 4. A wing walker headset for the right-hand wing walker. Step 2. System Setup. Pair the system one headset at a time, following the system pairing instructions. A few important points specific to the Phantom Wing Walker setup. Phantom headsets have a single power and pairing button, but they contain both a primary and a secondary side. The secondary side is identified by the white button. To access the different pairing options on a Phantom headset, press and hold the power button. The initial beep sequence indicates the first pairing option. To access the second pairing option, continue holding the button slightly longer, allowing the first beep sequence to pass. During the pairing process, the primary side of the Phantom headset will turn yellow and remain yellow for the full pairing cycle. The secondary side will turn yellow, then flash green throughout the pairing cycle. Remember, a primary device can only connect to a secondary device. Repeat this process until all headsets in the chain are paired in the correct order, including pairing each side of the Phantom headset as required using the first and second beep sequences. Note: the right-hand dome on the bug headset is used to pair to the first Phantom headset. Step 3. Microphone Function Test. With the system powered on, make sure all latch switches are in the live microphone position. Place one headset on your head and lightly scratch the microphone on the other headset. You should hear the sound clearly. Repeat this by swapping headsets and scratching again to confirm audio is being picked up in all directions. During this test, ensure the latch button actively turns the microphone on and off by pressing it when testing every headset. Note: if a headset cannot be heard, check the pairing link between that position in the chain. If 2 or more people are available, each can wear a headset and speak to confirm two-way communication. Step 4. Volume Control Test. If you're testing alone, place one headset near a noise source such as a radio or mobile device playing music. Wear the second headset and check that you can hear the sound clearly. Use the volume control to confirm that audio can be increased and decreased smoothly. Once checked, swap the headsets and repeat the process to ensure all volume controls work correctly. If 2 or more people are available, this test can also be carried out by speaking into one headset, while the others adjust volume for clarity. Step 5. Range Test. With one headset placed near the noise source, wear another and walk away. Each Phantom Link supports around 150 meters line of sight. On a 4-user chain with clear line of sight, you should expect communication up to approximately 450 meters. Ensure there are no physical objects such as walls, vehicles, or dips in the ground between you and the other headsets. If 2 or more people are available, each can wear a headset and speak while walking apart to confirm consistent communication across the full chain. Step 6. First level fault finding. If you experience any issues during testing, take a moment to pause the video and review these quick checks and troubleshooting advice.